Okay, for the greater depth questions down here today, this video is for where we're solving these problems. Okay, and these just involve thinking a little bit differently and a bit of scaling as well. So the first one, 75% of a number is 60. What is the number? Okay, so you've got 75%. If I just show you with an image, yeah, you've got to think at the moment. So 75% we know is the same as 3/4, don't we? Yes. So you've got, here's your 70. Ooh, I've written a 3 for some reason. Here's your 75%. Okay. And you've got to think, how much is that whole split into? Yeah. Okay, so if we know 75%, we can split it into 4s, can't we? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We know 75% or 3/4 is 60. All right, and then we should be able to work back from there then. So that gives us our clue. All right, because we want to find this part. Okay. Now, if we know this is 75%, then hopefully we can work out what each section is worth to add onto this to get to there. All right. So a couple of different ways. Yeah. 3/4. So if we know we've got 3/4 is 60, we know that 4/4 will be equivalent. So we can divide the 60 by 3. Okay. Because we've got 3 sections out of our 4. So if we divide the 60 by 3, which gives us 20. Okay. And then so on. That will help you get to that end part. Okay. So there's that one. So this is what you'll find in. So you know these are each worth 20. You have 60. I'm sure you can see the process from there. All right. The second one. This is a nice tricky one. Yeah, this is where we're kind of using proportions of amounts and we're scaling it up. Okay, so an amount has been increased by 25% to 80. Okay, 25% to 80. Okay, so let's think of a whole first. And we're going to split it. We've got 25%. Okay. But an amount has been increased by 25%. Okay, so I'm going to change colours here. What we've actually got is another amount, another 25% on the end. Yeah, so if you think this is 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. Okay, now that's the original amount, the 100%, the whole. But it's then been increased, and it's now 80. All right. So if we think, you do different colour, yeah. Just here, and you've added on that 25%, you've got to 80. Yes. Okay, so can you work back from there? We've got 80, but how many? We haven't got 4 parts, have we? No. Yeah, because it's already been increased to 80, so an extra 25% got you to 80. Don't like that number 2, it's not very clear, is it? So, by working back from here, so dividing it by how many of these parts you've got. Yes. That will bring you back to what each one is worth. And then you can times that amount by 4. Okay. So 80 divided by 5. And then times it by 4. Okay. So give that a go and check the questions. Check the answers to see how you get on. This last one, so if I write divided by 5, this last one is very similar, yeah, very similar. Coco weighs 10% less than she did last week, and she now weighs 4.5 kilograms. Okay. But she now weighs 4.5 because we've taken 10% off. Right, so let's get to 100%. 1, 2, 3. That's halfway. 1, 2. Okay, that's 50%. Not very good drawing to scale, but it doesn't matter. It does job. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so Coco weighs 10% less than she did last week, and she now weighs 4.5. So if we take 10% off, yeah, 4.5, that's what she weighs now. And you're looking for this part here, yeah, what she did weigh, at 100%. Okay, so you've now not got 10 sections, you've got 9 sections. Okay. And you've got 4.5, but you might want to just think about it without the decimal first of all. All right, so you've got 9 sections to work with that, and then your answer, that last part. Okay, good luck.